The leads are job opportunities.
Huge migration of people from rural to urban areas, as we know that economy is the basic backbone of any country, and if we go about economic growth, urban migration provides all these aspects to us.
Would like to add one more point, which is number 3. In my opinion, education is the key point education is the key point for migration from rural to urban areas, because rural people are not well educated in comparison of urban areas.
Exactly, I believe that the infrastructural development in the rural areas is of the very poor qualities, which is not at all sufficient to cater to the needs of the present generation, which is seeking job opportunities and development in the longer run.
In my opinion, I think the job opportunity is the major reason for migrating people from rural to urban areas, as we know that agriculture is destroying day by day.
Would like to add one more point. I must share that job opportunity is if he is well educated. So education is the must.
So I think rural areas are properly dependent on the natural areas, and as we are seeing that global warming is at an alarming stage and we are not able to find a good agriculture in our country, and therefore urban areas are the only solution which provide us less dependent on the nature, and that's why job opportunities
Don't you think that urban sectors are the main contributors to the problem of global warming?
Any job he can't get any.
That is because of the lack of education. Number 8, I would like to say that the job opportunity, 80% of the population is not really provided with the basic amenities. And if you feel that a person with a good job but lack of basic amenities would live a good life, I think you are pretty.
Because if we get job opportunities, we get income, and person with an income can afford a good education in the urban cities where the education is not at a cheaper level available.
I believe that the government is doing enough to provide for the job opportunities.
I believe that number 4 is
Please let me complete and give the opportunity to her too. I believe that the government is doing enough to provide for the job facilities, be it in the form of Manrega. But where the problem lies mainly is because of the lack of education development in the rural areas.
If we come to 8% of the 1% increase in the rural unemployment leads to 16,000 migration of rural people to urban cities. So that is the main reason for getting job opportunities in cities. So people
medical facilities or basic infrastructure development. It also includes food, shelter, and other basic human needs such as sanitation facilities, healthcare, education.
So points which says number 10 told, this all can be achieved by the good job, and which gives us a very nice income to spend our money on them, and that's why I believe that job opportunities need to be the main reason of migration.
I would like to say that if you're saying that job opportunities would provide for basic amenities, a single person who has a good job cannot really provide for the transport or the medical facilities. So I think that the government should take active participation in the development of the basic facilities so that there are good job opportunities.
I am trying to tell you about is that job opportunity, where if a family is moving from rural to urban area, people are finding new jobs, new opportunities to be carried upon, and where they find a huge income which they are not available in the rural areas, where they are totally dependent on the agriculture, which is indirectly dependent upon the nature only, and where nature is not fixed for anyone, so we can't totally depend on nature in this fight.
Would like to put one more point. If a person have a job and it also include a percentage in the growth of our nation's economy, and it also contribute in GDP, which also helps to develop nation and to develop transport and many other things, which includes basic amenities and education also.
Agree. Would like to put one more point. If we see in rural areas, discrimination is much more in comparison of urban areas, and on the basis of gender, sex, and education also. So this is also a main reason for person migrating rural to urban.
Slightly disagreeing with former speaker, I would like to mention that our government is trying to help people by education, as government is trying to put many schemes like Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan and midday meal schemes to develop education in rural areas.
Government is just trying, but I think also government has rural areas.
Its part and it has done enough to cater to the needs of the youth today. If the youth is educated, then what is needed is to avail the opportunities which are already
If you are talking about education, education is not provided on such scale in rural areas as compared to urban areas, and therefore people are migrating to urban areas, and that's where the role of income comes. That's why people are looking for job opportunities. Education is only in the urban area, and that's why urban area has a much higher rate of education in comparison to rural
much more in urban areas in comparison of rural areas.
Yes.
To come to the point that Cheshnubar said, I would like to say that if the government has done enough, why does the stats say that 54% of the people do not have the basic safe drinking water and 67% people lack of awareness and education somewhere that people are not availing the opportunities which are already present. I would like to disagree with you because there are several villages where the basic amenities of drinking water are not available. People would like to drink or have safe drinking water. They would not
If they are aware of government schemes, if they are educated, they can use that schemes.
and they can
Urban areas also.
I believe yes, number 10 is trying to say
Rural to urban areas, that would not help our economy that well, because most of the rural areas contribute to our agricultural economy, and I think that by providing basic amenity to the rural people as well, we can improve, we can help in proper migration or specific migration of people from
partially disagreeing with chess number 10.